In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Fortinet firewall. Navigating the world of cybersecurity can be daunting, but purchasing a Fortinet firewall can significantly enhance the security of your network. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you make the right choice for your needs. First, head over to the Fortinet website, which is the official source for purchasing their products. Once you're there, you want to start by locating the search icon, usually found at the top of the page. Clicking this icon will open up a search bar, which is your gateway to finding the specific products you need. In the search bar, type in Fortinet Firewall. This will direct you to a list of relevant products and resources. The goal here is to find the firewall that best suits your specific requirements, whether you're looking for a solution for a small business or a more robust system for a larger enterprise. Once you've entered your search query, look through the results and click on Fortinet Firewall. This should take you to a dedicated page with detailed information about the various firewall options available from Fortinet. It's important to take some time to explore this page thoroughly. You'll find valuable insights into the different models, features, and specifications that can help you make an informed decision. As you browse, you'll likely come across a link labeled Virtual Firewall, Small Business Firewall, Fortinet. Clicking this link will provide you with more focused details on virtual firewall solutions, which are particularly beneficial for small businesses looking to maintain a strong security posture without investing in extensive hardware. While browsing these options, consider your business needs. Factors such as the size of your network, the level of security required, and your budget should all play a role in your decision-making process. Fortinet offers a range of solutions to cater to different needs, so it's worth spending some time comparing your options. After you've gathered all the necessary information, you'll be ready to proceed with your purchase. Fortinet's website typically provides clear purchasing options and might even offer the opportunity to speak with a sales representative if you need further assistance. Remember, investing in a reliable firewall is crucial for protecting your network from potential threats and ensuring the privacy and integrity of your data. With Fortinet's comprehensive range of firewalls, you can confidently choose a product that aligns with your security needs and business goals. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to buying a Fortinet firewall. I hope this walkthrough has made the process clearer and given you more confidence in making your purchase. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Stay secure, and until next time.